Hi, good morning, yeah. See, today I make the kheer. Then how to make, I'll show. Come on. No, kheer means every time we used to puja, no. That time in Telugu we'll say Paramanannam, that is different, we'll use jaggery. In North India, before and all, I don't know what is the kheer. Now I'll show you people also. Come on, what we have to do. See, yeah, switch on the gas. This is my milk, boil properly milk. See, yeah, this is the always you have to use the basmati rice, only 50 grams. Okay, now you have to wash it properly. Don't waste water, yeah, this one. Always put it to the plants. Okay, just nicely 2 to 3 times you have to wash and strain it. Okay, see, my kadai is ready now to fry rice, and always use this cooker one, because why? The bottom will be very thick, so very nice, it won't stick and it won't know what you say, that sides and all, it will be very nice. Always use the thick bottom. Now my kadai is ready, little only ghee you can add it, that's it. See, very less, one one pinch. Okay, then put this rice. Yeah, I stain it, no, I told you. That's it. Now you can make it like this. Oh, chit-pat. No, wait. The water will be there, no? There's a problem. Just make it little, but I don't know if I'm doing like this, no? My kheer will be very tasty. Yeah. That only I think one tip, okay? Otherwise white and it will be, I don't know. Okay, anyhow we are eating junk only. Totally overall we'll eat junk food. That's it. What to do? Enjoying, my tongue is like that only. Very bad tongue for me. Yeah, okay. Now make it always medium flame. Otherwise it will burn. Okay. Same thing, only milk also. 2 in 1 I am doing. See, yeah, mixing here. And doing this one also. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now see this one, nicely you have to be, that's it, yeah, little only we have to do. Then we can add this thing. Yes, ready? Switch off the gas, then put it in this thing only. Okay. Oh, yeah, see, yeah, this consistency is very nice. Okay, now you have to switch off the gas, otherwise you can add the sugar also. Now this is not sugar, this is a kand, you know, you'll get in Baba Ramdev shop, otherwise Amazon also I think so, but I'll buy only in Baba Ramdev shop only. This one, see how much your taste, you know, somebody like the sweet, somebody is a normal, so I don't know that, according to your taste buds. Okay, now it's mix it well and see properly. Very nice, yeah, my mouth also watering now. We'll keep it God little bit, then after that we can have nicely mix it. That's what I told, you know, you have to keep the thick bottom, that is the secret. And this is also, yeah, nice. That's it. See, yeah, my kheer is ready. How nice this one. Okay, now time for taste also. Before that I have to add the almond. See this one, you know, that is how much you wanted, the colorful. See, yeah, how nice this one. Okay, now I will taste nicely. Okay, how is this one now? I love. Very tasty. Now you people can try and let me know. Very easy only. Yeah. This is not at all hard work. Okay, very easy, posy. Come on, enjoy.